Hello friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of delete account on the application of Hacoo. You will click on settings. In this page you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will scrolling down until you find this application of Hacoo and you will click here in this window of Hacoo like this. Then you will click on first stop and you will click OK. After that you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.